In this video, we're going to review how to put a blade in our jewelry saw. The first thing we're going to need is our saw, and then we are going to grab these blades. They have some wire wrapped around them, so just make sure you take that off in order to grab only one at a time. Once you have your blade, there is going to be one side that is flat and one that has a zigzag pattern. Make sure that the zigzag pattern is towards the outside of the saw and that it's pointing towards down. So you're gonna loosen up your knobs, and then you're gonna have to fit the blade between the two metal parts and tighten up the knob again. So once it's tight, just make sure you go on the opposite side and do the exact same thing. So you're gonna fit that through, and then you are gonna make sure that it's at the right distance. You're gonna tighten it up, and as you can see, it looks kind of loose. So we're gonna push it down on the side that's opposed to the blade. We're gonna make sure that it makes kind of like a noise, kind of like if it's a guitar, and then we're gonna tighten up that side as well, and then we are ready to start.